So Brandon, leave the criminal lifestyle alone. And this, Brandon, is a warning before the caning. Yeah, man.
What the hell? Is that really Brandon? Oh no, Brandon. You have some explaining to do because if this is really you, I want no parts of this. You know what? Let me give them a call real quick. Brandon, is that you I just saw on on-the-spot news media being called an old dirty corner boy?
We had just say a while ago, Rachel. You see me on the spot news media. No know what you're talking about, Rachel. Me? You sure say me I sit on the spot news media? You sure, Rachel?
Yes, Brandon. I'm sure it was you that I saw on the spot news media. Turn your TV on and go look for yourself.
Yeah, man, Rachel. I gotta take it in as soon as I come off a call with them, man, because this sound really serious. But on a serious note, though, I still love to see a little more still. Just make a go out a little chill spot there where the artists they make a perform in the night. We can have some food or some drinks and we can just come clean about everything so you can get a good understanding of exactly what I go on and why it reach which part it reach. I frame some dirty people I try to frame Rachel, I try to paint a bad image for me. Let me tell you this straight up, me get shut up what area and it coming like the people in my try to turn this round and make the victim look like a him and do things and me and the victim in a Rachel. But I'm gonna make you fully understand a little more still. Alright? So meet up at the same spot, probably both 7, 8 o'clock-ish, give us some time to come home from work and get yourself together and just meet me right at the same little spot there, alright? So I'm gonna see a little more and I'm gonna make you fully understand everything while I go on. You agree?
Okay, Brandon. I'll meet you there and hear you out.
And before you hang up in a Rachel, you know me to check the list of the artists them are going to perform in the night. And the same regularly the artists them I know you say you did like from the last time. Diamond Leah. Yeah man, so she name no? Yeah, Diamond Leah. She going to perform in the night too, you know. So I know say it's going to be a real decent night, man. So we can just sit down and reason out this thing differently so we can, you don't know, move on from this after because trust me, this whole thing I just take a toll upon me and it just take me aback and feel a waste time and all I start people in my try to set up my life, Rachel. What me just hope you just give me a listening ear so you can have a really better understanding of everything while I go on. So basically, we talk to you a little more still about everything. So have a blessed and wonderful day at work and thanks again.
Okay, Brandon. Also have yourself a great day.
Every night on the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right. Y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on. A blessed and wonderful Tuesday morning to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side. So I can kick it off in the morning, and my peeps, so get for understand, say, Officer, yeah, man, pick and team strike again. Yeah, man. Now it is stated that Brandon start pre-Deva since him get can up after he found out that, hey, his life was set up by his own friend, the Dan. Badder Dan. Yeah, man. But Brandon a really good youth still, you know. And we don't want Brandon to end up on the wrong side of the fence because of what happened. So listen to me, Brandon. We get to understand, say, you pick up dirty kind of boy lifestyle. You say, if at the route there, you go down, youth, it not go work out good for you. None at all. Because right now in our streets, Officer Yeman pick and team, not playing with nobody. So Brandon, leave the criminal lifestyle alone. And this, Brandon, is a warning before the caning. Yeah, man.
And what is for me do, Lord? Worry I go on now, man. Rachel says she see me on around this spot news media being called a old dirty kind of boy. And what is to God? Them thing me and try to run from in a star and look you know. On the spot have my name as a corner boy right now in high streets. When I got tell her my mother say when time her mix up friend them call her and tell her. Furthermore, me know so good as she could go all watch this thing by all herself and go see. Yo, Jano Star, me stress out in her man and made her at me. All on me is all a ring from the wool heap I shot them where boy them and the police them fire. Jano Star, coming like when it rains, it pours in a Brandon life, from one extreme to the other. Boy, Jano Star, Judge of God, me don't know what to do. Everything just a go wrong in my life. Me never get Rachel later and see it and how me out for loser. Jano Star, me don't know what to do. Father God, help me, show me a way, Father God, because right now this thing I get worse and worse every day. This badness thing start, Jano Star, too much come with it. Me not feel like so this badness thing for me at all.
You know, me really see them, yeah, me just a get worried about Brandon though. See the chase get gunned down in a Brandon, yeah, the man police in a shootout, police get gun off him and bear things. I know the Brandon this for me, you know, a whole heap of things me I hear about Brandon from what you know. But I know the Brandon that we me know at all. I know the Brandon that we me know. No, sir. This gets serious. Brandon I get himself in a whole heap of things. It's like Brandon a bite off way more than we him can chew. But I would this account. Mommy, boy, I wish she account me for do Lord. Hello? Alright. Yeah, what go on? You alright?
Ashley, how you never tell me so your man Brandon turn bad man? And when me here go on with him, me see him come on the spot news media and what the me see him on my view TVs. Them have up in picture big. Yes, me dear, Brandon turn big bad man, you know. I wa really go out with Brandon. No, sir. I know the Brandon this way, you know. I wa really go on with Brandon, Ashley. Talk to me, girl. Tell me what go on. What happened to Brandon? What really I go on with him?
Why, mommy, you come like you read my mind, you know. You know, say the same thing me there so this morning I think about I wa go on with Brandon. No, sir. I know the same Brandon this way we know for real, mommy. Something I go on with Brandon. Yeah, girl. Cause all this morning we hear say police run down Miss Punce's grandson in a yard and kill him. Yes, a bag of things are going over city, mommy. A bag of things are going over city. But as I say, mommy, I know the Brandon this way, you know, something I go on with him, but he no use me again still. Him never answer me call him this morning just a check up on him. To me hear some man dead over him yard. And him hang up him phone for me. Yeah, girl, he run me like a dog.
So yeah, I hear the same thing to Ashley. So I look like a true then. Cause one thing me know about my view TVs and on the spot news media, you know. If it not go exactly so, it go closer. And if you're not bad, then man then not call your name. So something I go on with Brandon, but we don't know about.
You know, me need to call the General Geguh and make him know say him have a little Chatty Beak in him circle star. Jano Star, you know, me can't believe say a country sell me out to him and them. Jano Star, me don't know what country I pre, what country I meds, what kind of style that the man I pull off style. But yo, Jano Star, I gotta link the General right you know too.
Yo, Brandon, what go on? Where the pot in the morning, yeah? What go on?
Marlin by General, I know says a reasoning more and give you do my boss, but me no want do it per year and still. Would I rather you meet me out of port anyway at all, my General. I'm we just come link you right there, so guess what go on, my boss? You have a little Chatty Beak pan the ends there. And I don't want to come pan the ends and the little Chatty Beak see me and go bring back my name again. A year ends all of the argument I come from a reach back pan my ends for boss. I him really I make everybody know where I go on. So that's why I want to give a reasoning so you can know exactly how.
We I say, Brandon, me have a snitch in my circle. Nah, man, you sure about what I say, youth? Yo, me a jump in some clothes right now and come link you down a town. Just meet me down a town at a little spot that me always demand. Our little ends right there, so our little turf control offer. Right behind the park, right beside a little bar there on by East Queen Street right there, someone. Meet me right this here. See, this is safe, this is secure, cause my place right this too. You don't know the spoilers lingo, man. Just link me right this and make we chop it up.
No say 40 my general man, me ga jump in some clothes right and I want to leave out and meet around there. Me I tell him my boss the thing I get serious. Some want you deal with the command problem the way me and you have. Yo, my boss, you know, say me you have a common problem. You have a little Chatty Beak pan your ends where I carry back my name to bother them and shot foot them in. I hear my cause all of them thing upon me right, you know, when I'm a general. I see myself all upon on the spot news media. Man, I call me corner boy. See myself upon all my view. I be things I go on start so the whole community I pre me a little way. All the police them used to have mad respect for me. Now the man them a doubt me and start have me half a little way to start. So I be things I go on over my side, my boss, and I your side all of the information I leak from.
Yo, Brandon, I could just cut through the chase, man. Just make me know which man pa minds are chat off him out. Make me know right, you know, so I can go back pa names can get it deal with it.
You know, see a year boy country do my boss. I him a the man where I carry my name back pa minds. The same youth the country where always dep on the front, I watch have the front frame more time, man. I him a call man pan them phone pa my black and I make them know everything where I go on over here between me and you. So we have a common problem, my boss. We have to deal with country right now. I see how myself on my view TVs. I see how myself on the spot news media when I call me a corner boy. And I issue warning before calling. You know, see how big things are going on, my boss. I don't want this thing to spiral out of control. All the police them used to have mad respect for me. The man them have me as a suspect right now. The man them definitely feels there's something right. The man them here say me have all straps say them get anonymous call. So who knows, probably all the boy country call the man them too and make the man them know everything where I go on. So me no know what kind of beef me and country have. Me no know where I'm against you. Me no know what really I go on, but I know say a country are the man. Cause better than tell me brawl into my face. See a country call Tuggy phone and make him know where I go on. And Tuggy was so upset about it, so country call him phone him and go over there go can him up right, you know. So my boss, me no know what you are going to do about that situation they still in about. You have to get that under control, my G. You have to get that under control. Right in our country, you have to be dealt with in the most harshest of way, cause I feel fall because of this I go on, my boss. So I don't know how you are going to deal with it. I not tell you how to deal with it. But we don't say it have to deal with it, because country has become a common problem, not just to me, but to your organization also.
We are say Brandon, my soldier country, him go on him phone and call Tuggy and tell Tuggy we are going over pa minds between me and you. You're sure about that? I say a word, man. Me hear you loud and clear still. I go back on the ends right and on and get that deal with.
You're willing my boy Brandon that a walker come up the road there. Cool over upon him, them I want to chat to him the little bit.
Aye, yes, I go pull up on him, man. Yo, Brandon. Yo, stop right there so inspired. I want to chat to you about something, you know, you. Stop right inspired there.
I was going on, officers. I tell you everything but I know this morning already, my boss. I was going on. What go on?
You go on farm fool, man. You go on farm fool. You just have make you know, say, yo, you're there on the radar, you know, the youth. And where I watch you. You see it? So go on farm fool.
Alright, officer, me hear you. Anything you say. I know you enjoy on the day. You see it, my boss. Blessings and love, same way, you know. Love and respect from Brandon, same way. Nah, other change. Rachel, what go on? I know some just give you a shout to confirm if you still on for later though. Everything's still good for a little more if you go around at the little spot. They got a few things, sit and talk and take in the few little artists them will come performing at night, yeah.
Yes, Brandon, we're still on for later. I'm going to grab a shower and get myself together for it, so I guess I'll see you soon.
I wonder when we can wear later star, because I have to step out well clean and I have to go impress Rachel later in a star. Shano, star. Everything just a tumble down palm at one time, star. When they ever get the girl, it and look like me out for lose her. But yo, I have to get her a decent story later, star. Trust me, because I don't want to lose that girl. That girl, them nice.
But look here, Jesus God. So I really miss Boonsy like a grandson then kill over Brandon yard. Jesus God, I wonder how Miss Boonsy hold up right now. Oh God, man, oh God, me can just imagine how she feel. As she go like a chase from him a little boy, you know? And look there, police taking life in a my son yard. Jesus God. When me give Miss Boonsy a call, cause me know right now so she not hold up so good. Oh God, man. Poor little chase. Miss Boonsy, where go on? How you holding up, Miss Boonsy? Oh my. My heartfelt condolences to you, Miss Boonsy. Me know you're supposed to grieve really bad right now. You know, me just watch a little news thing on YouTube and the spot and see your son, the police, them killing a my son yard. Mighty God of Daniel, what is happening, though, lad? But my most sincere condolences to you, Miss Boonsy, to you and the family. I will be praying for you every night. I pray your strength, my sister. Me know it hard, but hold it, Miss Boonsy, hold it. Me know it hard.
Ah, boy, my child, me I tell him, I not even know where me I gotta do. Where me I gotta get even money from to bury him. Me no know what she is getting himself mixed up in and gone over Brandon yard, make police kill him and take gun off of him. Lord God, me I tell him, my sister, me no know. Me no know where me I gotta do. Like a cheers bring down shame and disgrace upon the family. Look how me grow good. Me do everything in my powers for little cheers stay in a school and do the right thing. And him gonna follow criminal. Him gonna take up company with better than I see there. Better than I right, better than I live. And which part him there? In the dung a mad right and now lay down upon a black of ice. Lord God Almighty, may the good Lord go with me in this time of grief.
All right, Miss Boonsy, all right. Just take it easy here. If you ever need anybody to talk to, just know I'm there for you, Miss Boonsy. I'm there. Your sister there for you. I have a shoulder for you cry on anytime, Miss Boonsy. And I go always pray for your strength, because I know it hard, I know it rough. I just what the same bad company make Brandon almost lose feeling life too. So I know the feeling, Miss Boonsy, I know. Just go and take it easy. Just know that God have a plan. God have a plan in Miss Boonsy. Him have a plan. We may not know what it is. We may not understand what it is. But trust and believe that God has a plan. Alright, Miss Boonsy, take care. Just call me if you need me. I go check up on you tomorrow too, you know, but just go and take it easy and take a little rest if you need to.
Alright, my sister, Miriam, I gotta take a little lie down, you know, but boy, my heart heavy.
Why, Brandon, you know, look too bad, you know? You know, look too bad at all for go up on the liquor date with Rachel. But furthermore too, you know, some need for call her and make sure you know, so I go meet her up there right, you know. I go leave out right now, so I go just make sure you know.
Hey, Brandon, what's up?
You know, I just make you know, so I get ready, you know, Rachel, and I out to make a step go up on the ends there and wait for you up there. You good? You ready up?
Yeah, I'm almost ready. So, yeah, I'll meet you at the lounge.
I check my shirt to see if the cologne smell good. Yeah, man, this not smell too bad. I hope she like it. I hope when time I go her up and things she feel the same when you like the last one. Boy, I'm here to the star. One of the girl in my life. Boy, Rachel, me not lie, you look good enough. Yeah, man, you put yourself together really decent in the evening, man. I love it.
Why, thank you, Brandon. I appreciate you saying that. And as always, you look and smell really good yourself.
Wagwan, Brandon. Mr. Like, you love the little spot you do. I want you love the little DJ thing you go on a Friday night time, and I see you bring a nice little young lady with you this time. She's looking rather beautiful. So what you both want to order right now? And as always, in a Brendan, we have the liquor bucket specialty with the Guinness, then woman know you love to drink. So talk to me. What do you want to order?
Let me see what I want to drink. Oh yeah, let me have a strawberry daiquiri, and please make it kick a little bit.
You can't bring me the bucket deal, man. We'll go and sip on my liquor guinea pig them one by one as it. At what time the artists them out to come up on the stage?
You know, so now come in the right time though. They're about to come on the stage anytime from now.
Alright then, cool. We're there. I go and wait. Bring in them thing for them. I could go and sip on two juice as it.
Sure thing, Brandon. I'm on it.
So Brandon, what's up with you being on the spot news media? What's up with that?
You know, so Rachel upon a big man level, it's coming like somebody I try to set me up there. So before me, I am meeting Rachel. I did have a little friend, the same little brother that we did come in our place the first time we come and saw with the girl, and we did a try to explain to you, say, I did my friend and she and my ex and the two of them end up get together behind the back. You know, so him did set me up to a man shot me upstairs. And boy, if I'm right after that, he coming like everything just got and done you. And he coming like somebody I try to set me up, make me look like, say, I'm me the criminal and I'm me the victim in all of this.
Oh my God, Brandon, you got shot?
Yes, man, Rachel, a big man thing, man, no jokes about it, man, the man them shot me up wicked, man, till I start end up in a hospital and I feel in there for a good little while and come out and, well, it was just a whole hellhole, yeah, man. Big roller coaster right there, I tell you so. I'm surprised just as much as you surprised to see how myself and them thing they create me as a bad person. But they don't know Bernland as a bad man in their face. Trust me, baby. Not like what you hear and I sip on them thing they start. And I mean that. So I don't know what really I go on or who I get information against me for what type of reason. Baby, trust me, Rachel. I don't know.
It's okay, Brandon. I believe you. You really don't look that part anyways.
Sorry for interrupting conversations, but here are your drinks and the artists are about to come on shortly, okay? Enjoy.
Thank you for the drinks. And look, Brandon, the MC is walking onto the stage, so the performance is about to begin. Ooh, I'm so excited to see Diamond Leah.
Blessed love your people. To all of the ones them out there, we take the time out for sitting in the night here for taking some good soulful reggae music. Blessings to you all. So in the night we're going to hear from 3 artists, 2 of which is definitely no stranger to this stage. We're going to hear from an artist right now though that goes by the name of Diamond Mine. Really good reggae artists have some powerful music out right now. But tonight I'm going to perform a song for we him call Dear Mama. For all of the youth them out there when I listen to them mother and then find themselves a dead house or walk house. And when time we say walk house, we are talking about down a big yard, down a prison. The next artist we're going to hear from we are talking about the youth. I come from out of Yellow Sinner St. Thomas, this one named Tropical. And then of course we're going to hear from one of the crowd's favorite. One of the most soulful female reggae artists right and up on the ground. We are talking about none other than Diamond Leah. So I could get a round of applause for Diamond Mine as he graced the stage with his song, Dear Mama.
Blessings and honor to everyone in the house. Mr. DJ, I do this one a cappella. In the streets, J.A. Dear Mama, I know me miss you, dear Mama. Look how hard you try as I shed these lonely tears. Can't fight these lonely tears. Dear Mama, can't wait for hug your mama. In my heart me I cry as I shed these lonely tears. Can't fight these lonely tears. Me there in the place where you want me about. Damn. Think me that I love it figured out. Damn. Now me stuck in a 6x6 with a bucket for me piss and shit. Me nah lie, it hard. Fitting me have to turn this place now my yard. It's really now. Me find comfort in your words, mama, me wish me to listen to your words. Means a boy you so clean, money never in and out. Me and me chopper friend, them got all the clout. I remember when you say, son, that's not the route. No, the water took me in my mouth, chop. Dear mama, I know me miss you, dear mama. Look how hard you try. As I shed these lonely tears, can't fight these lonely tears. Dear mama, can't wait for hug your mama. In my heart, me a cry. As I shed these lonely tears, can't fight these lonely tears. No son and I miss her, you not take the ride. Look forward for see you, only time I smile. Chicken and rice and peas with some salad on the side. A brave face, but you're terrified. Mama, me ever see you hurting eyes. When I meet cause a pain inside. Oh, my son in my guan, tell him mother say fi calm and please make you bring him by. Me I look pan 15 to 25. Jah know that was a poor choice. Little words don't mean much, but true me I clutch or me clap him just because of pride. Dear mama, Jah know me miss you, dear mama. Look how hard you try. As I shed these lonely tears, can't fight these lonely tears. Dear mama, can't wait for hug your mama. In my heart, me a cry. As I shed these lonely tears, can't fight these lonely tears. Give thanks for the love, truly appreciated. Connect with me on the social media. It's Diamond Mind, DYMANMIND, on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. Yeah, man, join me on this mission. Let's change the world one youth at a time. Change it in a more positive direction. One youth.
Now, this is what me I talk about, people. Real, heartfelt, soulful reggae music with meaning. So to all of the youth them out there when I listen to the mother, I deso na go Enoch in a 6x6 cell. Youths who open to listen to a Diamond Mine, I say, and change in ways. But anyway, without further ado, let me introduce to you the man from the Far East Side. From way over there in St. Thomas, we are talking about Tropical. With a few of his hit songs.
In the street, J.A. If me did know, woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not know where your mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still then why you see the sunshine. And when me do them, make them want kill me off. Just through jealousy, them want stop the beat. I'm hard. True my God fearing make me no rat. Love me and das. Nobody think me soft. Can't fight fire with fire. No. Cause no fun we who no there. Yo, me fight evil with prayer. Jah with them blood me you for cover. If me did know, woulda cut them off long time. Can't trust not the way your mankind. You take the last and give them more than one time. Still in a while you see the sunshine.
Give it up for Tropical, my people. Give it up for Tropical. But yo, Tropical, you can't just left it, man. One song. Your favorite song, man. Now we ask someone that can't just come off his stage and agree with a song, the man. Bust the place with the song, man. Tropical. Drop it again.
In the street, J.A. Amount of fight man get. Chop them set, them fight me hard fear. Still I get the victory. The victory, the victory, yeah. Me know some great. Me born a winner. Amount of time then this me coulda squeeze the trigger. Jah protect me upon the street when me a look me dinner. I try escape the dark days when me inna. Amount of time me feel me try again. Most wanted, coulda be one of them. Work hard, me never link with no banger friend. Them cheat me the rest, we love me when money I spend. Amount of fight man get. Chop them set, them fight me hard fear. Still I get the victory. No victory, no victory, yeah.
Yes, Trap people, let's give it up again once more for the artist known as Tropical from out of the Far East Parish of St. Thomas.
one of the best vocalists as a male artist right now we have on the ground. So Tropical, just go and do your thing and yell the king youth. You go and go down the crowd, love you. Just continue to go and make some more good songs. Now, for the artists that most of you out there have requested to make a comeback on this stage, we are talking about the artists Time and Leah. And East Kingston project just the same. Time and Leah has some of the most electrifying performances from a female artist that we have seen in a mighty long time. She come with something different, a total different sound, a total different feel. Diamond Leah hits the notes that touches the soul in the deepest of its core. So give it up again, people. Give it up for Diamond Leah. Diamond Leah, come grace the stage. The people are waiting you.
People judging the streets, you know, but them don't know we. Diamond Leah, judge we and don't know we. In the streets, don't know we. Judge me and don't know me. In the streets, got 100 friends around me. I will still feel lonely. In the streets, judge me and don't know me. Fight me, I fight for my life on the inside, but nobody knows this. In the streets, yeah. The pain I get to me, the fame I get to me. How me I try me realize I'm gonna make for this. Some stop with the ones and the next to me. If I love her, if I like her, if I benefits, them love the likes and love the ice is like a ecstasy. Them don't know if me are right, them no so make the list and take a trip, get any take everything me have. See you girl, lift me with and make me sweet. Judge me and don't know me. In the streets, them not know it. Judge me and don't know me. Judge me and don't know me. Judge me and don't know me. I got 100 friends around me and I still feel lonely. In the streets, judge me and don't know me. Fight me and fight for my life on the inside, but nobody notice. In the streets, yeah. Tell me why I'm still a try, still a fight, been a while. Looking at the mirror, see a picture, me no recognize. All the money when me have up in it, still don't have a price. Why the one them way me love, I try to take my life. Father, you alone me have thanks every time. Well, they be the world to me, but you're the one to guide. Them not really know my shoes, so them not really know my mind. What a story time. Judge me and don't know me. In the streets, I'm friend around and still feel lonely. Judge me and don't know me. Fight me and fight for my life on the inside, but nobody notice. In the streets, you a fight, but you still hurt. You a fighter, you still a work. I talk to God, you need another church. Yeah, you talk to God and you say God a work. Better you want look, but all you see a worse. Third, second place today, but right now you want to go for first. Judge you and don't know